The program starts when the main function is called by the operating system. Int star p indicates p is a pointer pointing to the variable of the type integer. P equals to function f indicates p stores the value returned by the function f, which is the address of x. Here, since x is equals to 25 indicates create a variable named x and store the value 25 in it. X plus plus makes it 26 and the address of x is returned to the function f, which makes p store the address of x, which is 100. Since x since x is now removed completely after this line of codes, now p is still pointing to the variable x. In the above program, the pointer p is initially pointing to memory location where the memory location contains an object x, but after some time the object is removed but still the pointer points to same memory. This is called dangling pointer.